Okay, hello everyone. This is going to be a real quick video, just going to buzz through this how to fix your audio, Windows 10. Here's the sound menu. First we're going to start with the device manager. You go to device manager and basically you're going to just disable these uninstall, uninstall all of them, and then restart your computer, fire it back up. It's going to reinstall them, and you should be good to go. That usually fixes the issue. Let's see, what else could it be? Oh, the way you get to you right click on the start menu and go to task manager. Wait, don't go there. Right click, go to device manager. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager, or you can just type in device manager into the Cortana search bar right here. Okay, and then it's like the fourth one from the bottom, and here they are. Just uninstall them and then restart your computer. It will automatically reinstall these, then your sound should work. I have another video. If your little icon's missing, check that out. I'll put that at the end of this one. Let's see. Oh, I found a little secret here. If you're looking for the old what's it called, sound control panel, it's going to be over here on the right, over here on the right. Click on that, and here's your old sound control panel, and you can disable these or enable them however you want. You can go to microphones from here, but you can also do all that from here now. You can see all the same input devices, all your audio devices there. So okay, so here with the old sound control panel, you can come in here and double click on, say, speakers, and adjust your levels. You can disable all the enhancements that could be causing your audio to not work. That fixes some issues. You can go to advanced, and you can change this sample rate, and you can test it to see if your audio is working. It's possible you're plugged into the wrong jack. You want to be plugged into the green jack in the back of the computer if you've got the auxiliary cord. Or if you've got the USB, just try another USB port. It's possible that USB port's not good. And then hit test. Ooh, that's loud. So you can test it there. If you hear it, you should be good to go. Hit apply, and okay. If this video helps, please give it a like so other people can find it. Thank you. I just want to mention I have, personally, I had an issue where I had to come here and I can't remember exactly, but I think it was on the wrong device right here. I think that's when they made the first switch from this old sound control panel to just using this. Because if you right click now on the taskbar, on the little speaker and on the notification area on your taskbar, it used to go to that little sound control panel. Now it just opens up this sound menu, and so you might want to make sure you select the right one here. And I'm on my USB headphones, so I would select that one. And then just close out all this and restart your computer, and you should be good to go. Hope that helps. Thanks.